Welcome back to the update of the items I bought from Hobby Lobby and Kirkland on yesterday. Come on in. I have my coffee. What do you drink during the day? Coffee, tea, hot chocolate? Well, come on with your cup and stay with me while I show you how I place the items I bought on yesterday from Hobby Lobby and from Kirkland. It's good to have you here. And while you're here, I want to thank you for those who have already subscribed. And those who are new, come on and join us. It's free to subscribe. And then like. It helps my channel to grow. And then comment and let me know what you think about the items that we will see and how I have arranged them. Come on and decorate with me. We'll start right here at the mantle. Now you saw these on yesterday. I'm leaving the chargers here on a stand. And I like symmetrical. And then those are the candles I bought on yesterday. One on either side of the mirror that I bought and placed here. And it just opens up the area a little more. That natural light, because I have the curtains up, open, bounces off of the glass and make this room appear to be a little more larger than what it is. But it's okay, because we always can trick the eye on how we decorate and what we use. And then these two picks here, or stems, are usually used on the holiday, but I put them here to help bring that gold off of the wall, the darker gold. Since we have a lot of see the details on here, we're going to put up and on the mirror, we're going to put the deer that does not have all that glimmer and shimmery right there. And we'll place the second one. And we'll do the same to this side. And we have blue all in this living room. So we're going to fit this space here in the center on the mantle. And we'll place some of the white flowers. Now these are the ones I already had. And we're going to place them here in the blue vase. Okay. And this is how it looks. Isn't that elegant, simple, inviting? And then the gold and the brown tones make it a cozy and warm place to be. Now the package that I bought filled with these, I just simply put down here because I'm going to use these to do a DIY, and that won't be too long coming. So it just gives the natural, the green, the white, and the brown tones down here in front of the mantle. And when you come up, this is what you see. The same colors that are in the bag are up on the mantle. The browns, the green, the white, and the flower. You have a variation of brown here and then up here on the mantle. Okay, let's go to, now here we are, the pillows. We'll start with the pillows, and they are the cream pillow, a little off-white, and this is how I just added them to the blue that was already there. Okay, now remember the lanterns, aren't they simply beautiful? I am going to put light up there with the candle. Now let me do that, and I'll be back, and I'll be putting one in each one of them. Okay, the first one is in. And you can see how they lift up. Okay, the second one. Before I put the second one, this is how it was looking before. I get ready to put the candle, battery operated candle in, and this is how it would turn out. Okay, I have both of them up. And now, let me show you what I have on the back of the sofa. Let's just straighten the pillows up. And we'll put on the blue one first. And then we'll add this one to the middle. And then I'll step back and show you. The pillows are helping with the curtains, and then the blind has the cream or white, and then the gold and white from our lanterns, the gold lanterns with the clear glass, and then the white candle, which is battery operated. And then here's the other side. Let's give it from this angle. the sofa. And the gold and the brown, and then look at what's on the back of the sofa. And now, help me decorate the coffee table. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put down this picture, and it'll help bring all that, the gold tones that are in this room. And this, what you see, would not be seen. Well, much of it would not be seen, but I needed this color to bring the color down that's on the mantle, the side tables, etc. Then I'm going to get this basket. It's gold, and we know we have gold on this side as well as there and around the room. And that's why I'm using this basket. Now, this was from Dollar General, this basket. I believe I got this picture from either Home Goods or Hobby Lobby. And we're going to do a vignette here of 3 items. The first item, we're going to bring the brew here. We need that because look. And then I'm going to bring another blue base. And look what I filled it with. The ornaments that I bought from Hobby Lobby. It says peace on this one. The one I showed you yesterday said joy. And here it is. And it's 6 of them. I just made that a bowl filler to, again, bring the brass, the gold, the light browns. And then the last thing I'm going to put on the tray is this candle. It's white and gold. And then to finish it off, we're going to put a picture here. And to bring those white flowers over here, we'll get the 2 stems that I bought yesterday from Hobby Lobby. They're the same ones that's on the mantle. So now everything matches. Here's the white pillows, the white fireplace and shelf itself, and bookcase surrounds it. And then the white in the lanterns, the candles. So we have united all the colors. And then we're going to finish this by lighting the candle. Again, I thank you all for being here. Now let's take a look at what I'm going to cut the lights off first. Not all over the front area of the house, but at least here in the living room. If you're sitting up here, just with the sunlight beaming from the windows, there's still enough light. When I came in here this morning, just no lights were on, and I opened up the curtains. It just was a beautiful sense of openness. And then I'll show you with the lights on up close. If you have seen anything about this presentation today that you like, would you subscribe so you will not miss any of my uploaded videos? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Stephanie saying thank you. This is Stephanie Traditional Home.